Hi, I'm Charmaine. Welcome to this yoga flow for legs and glutes. If you're looking for a practice that will consistently help you to build strong, lean legs and firmer, toned glutes, then this is the practice for you. Start by making your way into any comfortable seated position. I've gone for a kneeling position, but you can sit however feels comfortable to you. Tune into your breath. Take a long inhale through the nose. And if you can, keep the mouth closed as you exhale through the nose. That's your Ujjayi breath, your victorious breathing, and it warms the body from the inside out. On your next inhale breath, make your way into a tabletop position, stacking the hips over the knees and the shoulders over the wrists. Take an inhale breath, allowing your gaze, your drishti, to move forwards and up. And as you exhale, press the earth away from you, looking towards the belly button. Inhale, belly dips, eyes rise. Exhale, press the earth away from you, drawing the belly button towards the spine as you do so. Inhale, breathing forwards, and using your exhales to press backwards. Start to tune into your breath a little deeper now. Move the body with the rhythm of your breath. See what feels good for you and maybe get a little creative here. On your next inhale breath, come to a static position, tuck the toes. Exhale, pressing backwards into downward facing dog. Pedaling through the legs as we start to stretch out the backs of the hamstrings and the backs of the quads. And start to warm up the hips a little here too. Have a little self-inquiry here. How are your legs feeling today? If at any point during the class you feel like you need to pedal your legs during downward facing dog, just go for it. Take an exhale breath, and on your next inhale, draw the feet together. Rise onto the balls of the feet as the right leg extends to the sky. Inhale, travel the shoulders over the wrists as the right knee bends. Exhale, tiger curl the knee to the nose and the nose to the knee. Exhale, foot down to the earth, swapping sides. Left leg rises into your three-leg dog. Travel the shoulders over the wrists as the left knee bends. Exhale, tiger curl the left knee to the nose. Inhale, placing the foot back down onto the earth. Take this opportunity to shake off any last stagnant energy in the legs. Inhale, bring the feet together. Step the right foot forwards. Step the left foot forwards. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold down and over the legs, taking opposite elbows in your ragdoll pose. Keep pressing the hips to the sky and keeping a soft bend in the knees. As you exhale, release the elbows. Inhale, rolling up to stand, stacking vertebrae by vertebrae. Crown of the head is the last to rise. Bring the palms by the sides into Tadasana, mountain pose. Take an inhale breath. If you work with an intention, perhaps go ahead and set your intention just now. Exhale fully. And on your next inhale breath, hands sweep to the sky, joining the palms together. Press the hips to the left as you move the body to the right. Stretching all the way from the left hand pinky right down through the rib cage, down through to the ankle. Inhale to rise. Exhale, pressing the hips towards the right, body moves to the left. Inhale back through center. Exhale, forward fold down and over the legs. Inhale, halfway lift, crown of the head forwards. Plant the hands, step back the right leg. Drop the right knee, release the toes. Inhale, hands rise to the sky, biceps by the ears. Option to keep the right knee up or down as we come into our twist. Right hand lowers to the earth, tucking the back toes if you're lifting the knee. Turn, twist and look up towards the left palm, broadening through the collarbones and engaging through the muscles around the left knee. Exhale, left hand to the earth as you step back the left leg and come through an optional flow. Biceps to the rib cage as you sweep into upward facing dog. Exhale as you step or roll backwards into Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Take an inhale through the nose and exhale, grounding through the hands and feet, Hasta Bandha and Pada Bandha. Bring the feet together. Inhale, left leg rises. Exhale, travel the left foot between the hands. Release the right knee to the earth. Inhale, hands sweep to the sky, biceps by the ears. Remembering your options here, you can keep the back knee down, or if you choose to do so, right hand comes down to the earth, back knee rises, turn, twist and look up towards the left fingertips. Take an inhale breath here, and exhale, left hand down to the earth, framing the front foot and stepping backwards, coming through your optional Vinyasa flow. Take an inhale breath, sweeping through Chaturanga into upward facing dog. Exhale, step or roll backwards into your downward facing dog. Let go of any tension here as you open up the mouth and perhaps sigh out your next exhale, releasing what you no longer need. Bring the feet together as you step the right foot forwards, then the left foot forwards. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees, sweep the fingers, Utkatasana, chair pose. Biceps by the ears as you press the glutes backwards. Inhale to rise, palms together. Exhale, hands to the heart center. Use this time to come back to your intention. And if you don't have an intention today, that's okay. Just come back to your breath and a sense of grounding as the feet ground through your mat into the earth. We're coming into balance poses, a brilliant way to build strength in your larger muscle groups, but also in all the tiny little muscles in your legs too. Take an inhale breath, ground the left foot into the earth as you squeeze the right knee into the chest, hands around the right shin. Take an inhale breath, and as you exhale, take your right arm and wrap it around the front of the right shin. Left hand behind the back, and see if you can hold on to the right wrist with the left hand. Exhale, tilting forward from the pelvis. Take your attention to one point on your mat and focus there. This will help you minimize your wobbles. Take an exhale breath, making your way back up to stand again on the inhale. Release your grip, bring your hands onto the shin and squeeze the right knee back into the chest. Inhale here. And exhale to release, swapping sides. Ground down through the right leg, pick up the left leg. Squeeze the left shin in towards the rib cage as you inhale. Exhale, release, using the left arm to wrap around the front of the left shin. If it's available to you, use the left hand to hold onto the right wrist as you tilt forwards in your flamingo pose. Take an inhale through the nose and exhale here. Inhale to rise back up again, squeezing the shin in towards the ribcage one more time. Exhale to release. Pedal it out or shake it off, whatever feels good to you. Take an exhale breath, then let it go. On your next inhale breath, come to the top of your mat, sweep the hands to the sky, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale down and over the legs, folding in. Inhale, halfway lift, planting the hands as you step back into downward facing dog. We're setting up for pigeon pose. Bring the feet together, right leg sweeps to the sky. Exhale, right knee comes behind the right wrist as you walk back the left leg. Take an inhale breath, sternum shines forwards. Exhale, walking the hands down to the earth. If your right glute isn't flat to the earth, that's okay. Just grab a yoga block or a rolled up towel and place this underneath your glutes. We're stretching out perifemoris, the psoas muscles, and the outer hip rotators, so we want to make sure our hips are supported here. You can stay here and continue to deepen this stretch. Otherwise, if you'd like to come into mermaid pigeon with me, take an inhale breath as you rise back up, reaching back for the left foot. Bend the knee and bring the left foot into the crevice of the left elbow. Hands together as you inhale and shine the sternum forwards. Sleeping pigeons getting ready to come up and join us. And mermaid pigeons, exhale, release. Hands onto the earth as you step back into downward facing dog. Right leg coming to the sky to release any tensions. Exhale, swapping sides, left leg rises to the sky. Take an inhale here. Exhale, left knee comes behind the left wrist, walking back the right leg. Inhale, sternum shining forwards and just checking out if that hip is popping up. This is the perfect time to place a brick or a towel underneath any gaps. Exhale, walking the arms forwards. This is your time to completely relax, restore and rebalance as we work on building the muscles around the outer of the hip flexors and the glutes. You're also getting a brilliant stretch down the right hamstring and the front of the quad too. Take an inhale here. Option to stay here for your exhale and continue to work on this stretch. Otherwise, if you want to come into mermaid pigeon on this side, on your next inhale breath, walking the hands back up and reaching back for the right foot. Bend the knee, bring the right foot into the crevice of the right arm. Hands come together and shine the sternum forwards. Take an inhale breath through the nose. Staying here for your exhale breath. Sleeping pigeons, get ready to come up and join us. Mermaid pigeons, release. Sweep the right leg all the way round the front of your mat, coming into Janushirshasana on the left hand side. Left foot is flat against the inside of the right quad. Take an inhale, hands rise. Exhale, forward folding from the pelvis. Your drishti, your gaze, is towards the toes, and if the chin comes down to the knee, you can completely release the head. If your left knee's popping up from the mat, you know what to do? Get a little brick or block and just place this underneath the left knee. If you want to continue stretching out your legs after this class, or maybe move on to some upper body work, there's loads of classes over on my channel. I'll leave a link on the top right hand corner of the screen, so hopefully that's popping up right about now. Take a long, lovely exhale breath here, and on your next inhale breath, rise back up, hands sweep to the sky. Exhale, hands by the sides as you bring the right shin in front of the left. Take an inhale breath. Exhale, spider crawl the hands forwards, pressing the hips backwards here. Option to bring the arms down the sides of the body and completely release here as you surrender to the earth. This is a really deep stretch on the hip flexors, so if your chest doesn't come all the way down to the earth, just place a cushion underneath the sternum. Take one more inhale breath and exhale. On your next inhale, move any props out the way, hands come behind you as you lift the hips to the sky. Exhale to lower. Straighten out the left leg in front of you and keep the right foot bent as you bring the right foot to the inside of the left quad. Janushirshasana. Inhale, hands rise to the ceiling or the sky. Exhale, forward fold, rib cage coming over the quad. Gaze to your toes, and if your chin comes down to your knee, you can release the head here. Take an inhale breath, keeping a nice soft bend in your left knee. Exhale. Stay here for one more inhale breath. Releasing what you don't need anymore on the exhale breath. On your next inhale breath, rising back up, hands sweep to the sky. Exhale, hands by the sides. Bring the left shin in front of the right. You have the option here to go into lotus pose if your body allows it today. But don't worry, every day is completely different, so just check in with yourself and see how you feel. Take an inhale breath, walking the hands forwards, leading with the sternum, as you make a little pillow for your head and completely release here. You also have the option to have the arms down the sides of the body like you did in the last round too. Let gravity do the work here. Your body is heavy and helping you to stretch out your hip flexors. Take an exhale breath. And on your next inhale breath, slowly rising back up. If your legs have been in lotus pose, just gently unravel them, bring the feet to the earth, and allow the knees to fall from side to side. As we start to draw our practice to a close, grab any layers you want to and make your way into a comfortable seated position. When you feel ready to do so, bring your hands to your heart space as we take one round of breath together. Take an exhale, and as you inhale, draw the breath in from the base of the lungs, through the middle lung, through into the throat, and hold the air in. Exhale from throat, through the chest, down to the base of the lungs. You can stay here as long as you like to. Thank you for practicing with me today, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.